The price of gold rose to one-month highs in most major currencies on Monday, as the US dollar weakened on the FX market following dovish remarks from a US Federal Reserve policymaker ahead of President Trump's the 1st of August trade tariffs deadline. With senior Fed officials now jockeying to replace current chair Jerome Powell, repeatedly attacked by Trump for failing to cut interest rates more quickly and steeply, Fed Governor Christopher Waller on Friday called for a quarter-point cut at next week's July meeting. Rising for the third week in a row, spot gold prices climbed a further 1.1% by Monday lunchtime in London at $3,387 per troy ounce, the highest since the 24th of June. The private sector is not doing as well as everybody thinks it is, Waller said in a speech. Trump himself called Powell a numbskull on Friday, saying he is making it difficult for people, especially the young, to buy a house. The odds of no cut next week remained at 95% today, according to betting on CME derivatives, exchange interest rate futures, and market consensus then sees Fed rates finishing 2025 at 3.91%. Requiring 2 quarter-point rate cuts by the end of this year, that would match the Fed's own dot plot consensus forecast, unchanged and repeated since December. The dollar index, a measure of the US currency's value versus its major peers, meanwhile fell 0.4% to a 7-session low on Monday. While that curbed gold price gains for non-dollar investors, gold priced in euros and UK pounds still rose towards one-month highs above €2,896 and £2,507 per ounce respectively. Gold's modest support comes from a weaker US dollar, says analysis from Swiss bank and London bullion clearers UBS. With the 1st of August deadline for US tariffs now coming closer, the market focus will be if trade deals are announced or tariffs are implemented. According to the Financial Times, Trump has escalated his demands in trade negotiations with the EU, pushing for a minimum tariff of 15% to 20% in any deal with the bloc. U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said Sunday that he is confident the White House can secure a EU deal, but the 1st of August is a hard deadline. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.